Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be calling this morning's docket. Judge Huff will not be with us today. We have Judge Johnson. He'll be coming on shortly. So defendants, when I call your name, please unmute yourself. Make sure your camera is turned on. That's just typical protocol. Whenever you're talking to somebody on the court, make sure that you have your camera on so that way we can see who we're talking to. Defense attorney, it is Judge Huff's policy that you confer with the state before leaving the Zoom today. Defendants, you cannot leave the Zoom until I myself or the judge has given you a reset. You acknowledge your reset and you are free to go from there. So we get started. Joel Goosebay, he's in jail and he is not on right now. Martin Rodriguez. Cesar Flores.
Hey Booker, I'm sorry. I'm here as well, Booker.
I didn't call your name, sir.
You said Martin Rodriguez?
Is that you?
Yes.
And why isn't your camera on?
Oh.
Whenever you're addressing the court, you need to make sure that your camera is on.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. I got you checked in. Is Cesar Flores? Cesar Adrian Flores? Joseph Freeman? Marion DeBose?
President Booker.
Thanks, sir. Leticia Tasawana? Also another jail case, not here. Malcolm Charles? Desiree Love Martinez? Paul Duran?
Yes, Booker, I'm here. Good morning. Yeah, we're
Good
here.
morning, sir.
Thank you.
I got you checked in. Brandon Villanueva, Venezuela.
Here.
Brandon,
Oh, no, not Brandon. Never mind.
Justin Encinosa, Justin Joel Hinojosa. Andrew Torres. Mateo Villegas. Roseanne is a jail case. Jovita Garza. Crystal Silva.
I'm here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Got you checked in. Jose Gutierrez Vega. Jeffrey Gordon.
I'm here.
Thank you, sir.
I'm
Got you
here.
checked in. Christian Xavier Flores. Christopher Andrew Trevino.
I'm here, Booker.
Thank you, sir. Renee Gonzalez.
Present, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. I got you checked in. Timothy Rodriguez.
Herman, can you hear me? That's that kid that you got appointed me to on those burglaries. Evidently, he made bond, so we're gonna bring him back from jail court, but he made bond already.
Okay. Here, we'll see if he shows. Billy Benson.
I'm here.
I'm here for him, Booker.
Thank you, sir. Caleb Ortiz.
Here, Booker.
Thank you, sir. I got you checked in.
Yes, sir.
Enrique Zamora. Luis Torres.
He's present with counsel, Mr. Booker.
Luis, can't you announce? Is that him in your office? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Henry Garza.
I'm here, sir.
Thank you, sir. I got you checked in. Jason Renee. Patrick Teeler. Lauren McDonald, Lauren Maldonado.
Present.
Thank you, ma'am. I got you checked in. Gabriel Flores. Gabriel Samuel Flores.
Here, sir.
Thank you, sir. Joel Martinez. Or Joel Martinez. Raul Morales.
He's present with counsel.
Raul, can you announce yourself?
They're here in the courtroom. They're outside the courtroom. I just saw.
Until I get my deputy to say that he's here or not, then he's gonna be at
Hold on,
FTA.
I'll walk over. I'll walk over.
Raymond Valdez. Jose Israel Garcia.
He's present with counsel.
Jose, can you announce yourself?
Hey, Booker.
Yes, sir.
Here's Mr. Morales.
Yes, sir, I'll come back around to that to finish.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Jose Garcia. I got you checked in.
Thank you.
Roger Lozano.
Here.
Thank you, sir. I got you checked in. Ariel Alejandra Cantu. Victoria Lopez. Michael.
And Booker, did you get, you
Orwell?
said that I,
No, I'll come back around to him. Michael Conrad. And Leslie Contreras Venezuela.
Here.
She's present with counsel.
Thank you. I got you checked in. All right, defense attorneys, if you guys would go ahead and start sending me chats, I can get you guys lined up to talk to the state in the breakout room. I'll go through the docket one more time for the individuals that did not answer or were not able to check in. We have Caleb and Jonathan, our two ADAs. They'll be talking with you. If you need to talk to Mr. Kimbrough regarding to any MTR stuff, please just let me know. We can get you guys in line to talk to him. Mr. Martin Rodriguez, I'll be with you shortly, sir. You do have an MTR with no attorney. We'll get with Mr. Kimbrough, see what we need to do with your case. Other defense attorneys, I'll put you guys in breakout rooms. The state would be with you guys to confer with you guys. I do open up all breakout rooms in the beginning, so if you get into a room and if somebody hasn't come with you, don't worry, they'll be with you shortly. Other defendants, I'll go through the list another time for the people who didn't check in and for anybody else who's on this docket that I did not call their name.
Hello, did you call for Mateo Villegas?
I'll be with you in a second, sir.
Okay, sorry.
So
Yeah, did you call Patrick Taylor?
I'll be with you in a second, sir.
Thank you.
Larry Bloomquist, your client is beside you.
say you was
present.
present.
Thank you, sir. All right, this is for the individuals who did not answer the first time I called your name. Cesar Flores. Joseph Freeman. Malcolm Charles. Desiree Love Martinez. Brandon Venezuela. Justin Hinojosa. Andrew Torres. Mateo Villegas.
Hello, here.
Thank you, sir. Got you checked in. Jovita Garza. Crystal Silva. Jose
I'm here.
Gutierrez.
I'm here. Crystal Silva.
Thank you. Got you checked in.
Okay, thank you.
Hello?
Jose Gutierrez Vega.
They called you on Zoom. You gotta put that number in.
Christian Javier Flores. Timothy Rodriguez.
That's that kid with those burglaries of a vehicles, Herman.
Okay.
He also has a case set for May 22nd in your court for assault, so.
All right. You're free to log off. If he comes, I will give you a call or text you and have you to come
Okay.
back.
All right, thank you, Herman.
No problem. Jason Oliva. Jason Renee. Patrick Teeler.
He's in the hallway.
He's in the hallway.
He's getting on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Joel Martinez. Joel Junior Martinez. Raymond Valdez. Jose Israel Garcia the third.
Here.
Jose.
Hello?
All right, got you checked in, sir. Ariel Cantu. Victoria Lopez. And Michael Warble. Michael Conrad. Is there anybody that's on this Zoom that I did not call your name?
Yeah, I got locked off, but I'm back on.
I got you checked in.
We have Mark Anthony Bermudez with counsel.
What's his case? Counselor, what's his case number?
I don't have your name, Mr. Booker.
Well, defendant, do you know your case number?
No, he doesn't know it. Sorry.
Does he know his SIN number? Is there any type of identification that you have so that I can look him up?
Yes, let me get that for you. I called you on Friday. You said this hearing on Monday. I spoke to you on the phone.
What's defendant? What's your date of birth?
11/29/1999.
And your name one more time?
Mark Anthony Bermudez.
All right. Give me a second. I can get you before Judge Johnson to approach him on recalling this warrant.
Excuse me, Mr. Booker. My phone.
I will
about
be
to
with you in
die.
a second, sir.
Charge.
Sir, I got you checked in. You're fine.
I know, but my phone about to die. What I do if my phone die?
Don't worry about it. The deputy will be with you in a second. What's the first one you said that was in the hallway? Anybody else that was not here during docket call that needs to check in?
Sir, I was here. I was just wondering if you checked me in.
Yes, sir. I got you checked in.
Brandon Valenzuela.
Yes, I got you checked in, sir.
All right, thanks.
I love it.
All right, Mr. Gilbert Vasquez.
Yes.
All right, sorry, you can approach Judge Johnson on your request to have the warrant recalled for your client.
What are the circumstances, Mr. Booker?
Judge, defendant I had him scheduled for.
Good morning, Booker.
March 30th. It seems like there's a fell of communication notice in between when I sent the email out to defense counsel. I may have gotten the wrong information, therefore the defendant was considered an FTA at that point in time.
Okay. Can we get his defense counsel here today, or do we need to reset?
I'm here, Your Honor.
I'm sorry.
I'm here to represent Mr. Bermudez.
Oh, very good. Recall the warrant then, Mr. Booker, and let him go ahead and confer.
Yes, sir, Judge.
Thank you.
Brian, Mr. Oriole.
Hey, Booker, good morning.
Morning.
I have Mr. Garza on the docket today. I've conferred with Caleb. He is just making sure that we get our breath test discovery that the judge assigned last month. So he's working on that and going to be reviewing the file for an updated offer. So if we can just get a pretrial reset on this case.
Sounds good. I reset to May 25th.
All righty, thank you, May. Mr. Garza, be excused.
Yes, sir. You and your client both free to log on.
All right, thank you, sir. Have a good week.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Booker, I got disconnected, but I'm back online.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Booker, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, there it is. Can I get another 30-day reset for Mr. Rodriguez? For Martin Rodriguez?
Yes, sir. Is he in Bear County?
Yes, he is.
Okay. Mr. Rodriguez, your court days will be reset to May 25th. They'll be in person in County Court 12 at 9 a.m.
I'll tell him, sir. He's in the breakout room. Thank you.
No problem. Mr. Locke.
Hi, Booker, on Paul Duran, 669-944.
Yes, sir.
Felonies are still pending. Did confer. We go to court in a couple weeks on the felonies. Probably need to reset this some more, please.
Okay, the felony is set for 5-5. I'll reset the case in court 12 to, let's do 5/26.
Okay. And then almost here on Bill Benton, 693-496. Going to submit an order for blood discovery on his case.
All right. Alrighty, I'll set it for the same day, 5/26.
Okay. Thanks. And both of those men be excused.
Yes, sir. Both your clients are free to log off.
Thanks. Have a great day.
You too.
How you doing today?
Okay, give me one quick second here. Mr. Casado.
Hey, Mr. Booker. I conferred with the state of Texas. They gave me an offer. This is actually the first time I've well, I've conferred with them before, but this is the first time they had it was actually filed. So it's the first time we got an offer from them. I'm going to go over with my client so he can consider it. We're requesting a 30-day reset at this time, please.
All right. That's going to reset to May 25th, and I'll be in person in County Court 12.
Yes, sir. May 25th in person.
Yes, sir.
9 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
No problem. You and your client are both free to log off.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello?
Yes, sir. What is your name?
My name is Andrew Torres. Hello?
1 second, sir. All right, I have you checked in.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Mr. Vila,
Hi, yes.
which one is your client?
I'm sorry, Jose Garcia. I could give you a case number if you need it. Jose Israel Garcia.
Okay, and looks like you're just waiting for lab results.
Right.
And just to confirm to make sure I have the right person, is that for case number 705-086?
Yes. Yeah, too.
All right, I reset the case to May 25th. I'll be in person in County Court Club at 9 a.m.
May 25th.
Yes, sir, that's correct.
All right, thank you.
No problem. You're time both free to log on.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Mr.
Hi,
Booker,
Booker.
Yes, ma'am.
We're ready to take a plea. Is it gonna be at 10?
Why?
Because I thought we were taking a plea today.
Yeah, we are.
Okay.
What's your client's case number?
It is 696-211.
Okay. I'm gonna have to resend the paperwork because we have a different judge and it needs to be under signed by him.
Okay. Is
I'm sorry?
Judge gonna be back tomorrow?
Not today.
Okay.
That's okay. So I just resent the paperwork to you. Just fill out with your client. He's still in number one, and then Judge Johnson will do the plea after that.
Okay.
Mr. Lamas, you can go ahead and approach Judge on your motion. I'm getting ready to send it over to him.
Okay, I appreciate it. Is Judge logged on?
Yes, he's on.
Okay. May I approach, Your Honor?
Mr. Booker?
Yes.
Yes, Cesar Flores, number 3. He just checked in. He's out in the hallway. He's on Zoom.
Okay.
Mr. Booker,
Yes, sir.
I'm here from the 379th, and I don't know exactly what I should be doing right now.
Are you still currently, are you a defense attorney or do you?
I'm a defense attorney. I have Gabriel Flores.
Okay, I will put you in a break room to talk to confer with the state about your client's case.
Okay.
Judge Johnson.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Mr. Lamas is gonna approach you on a motion to travel. I just sent it to you. It should be in your inbox shortly.
Okay, thank you.
Go ahead, Patrick.
Good morning, Your Honor. I wanted to approach on an off-docket matter for Jose Herrera, case number 693-164. It's a motion to travel.
Yes,
My
sir.
client has a grandmother that currently lives in Dallas, Texas, who's currently on hospice care. My client would like permission to travel up there and visit her before, while he still has the time to. He's currently on GPS monitoring for a case out of County Court 12, unlawful carry of this case. And he also has another case in the 144th for unauthorized use of a motor vehicle. But he's been checking in with me. He's been doing everything he needs to do while these cases have been pending.
Yeah, what, Mr. Lamas, I didn't see in your motion any dates when he would leave, when he would return.
He would want to leave as soon as possible. There's no anticipated return date quite yet. But as soon as the court wants him here, he will be back. He just wants to spend some time with his grandmother.
Okay. Is his case unadjudicated? Is the
unauthorized use of a motor vehicle hasn't been indicted yet. We've been pending indictment for quite some time now.
okay, so he's under pretrial services control.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. Do me this favor, Patrick.
Yes, sir.
Talk with your client and get me a departure date and a return date if you would.
Okay.
I cannot, will not make it open-ended, okay?
Okay. He would if it's okay with this court, he would probably want to leave today if possible. But I'll get a return date for you, Your Honor.
Okay, if you would, and then I'll announce that for the record, even though it's not in the written motion, it'll be in the record. So let's do that, Patrick. Yeah, we'll bring you back up as soon as you're ready.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Ms. Brown.
Yes, we have conferred with the state and they will be dismissing Leslie Contreras Valenzuela's case, and that should be signed by this Friday.
You said dismissing?
Yes, the state is dismissing.
Okay, sounds good. Ms. Venezuela, you're free to log off. Your case will be dismissed. Counsel, I believe you should get a copy of that dismissal in your email.
Yes, I just received it. It's just awaiting judge's signature.
Okay, sounds good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. No, give me a moment. I'll be right with you.
Hello, am I still in the meeting?
Okay, now.
Thank you, Booker. Could I please reset, Raymond Valdez? He's number 34 on the docket. The district attorneys need to reach out, to the prosecutors on another case he has to make sure if they give me an offer and he takes it, it won't mess up his probation.
If he was here, yes.
Oh, okay. Could I please reset Letitia number 6 on the docket, Satanawa?
Okay, she's in jail. What's going on with her case?
She has some felonies pending that I think it would be better for her to resolve those before she does anything on these misdemeanors.
Ms. Smith, were you my lawyer?
Who said
It's
that?
Raymond Valdez.
Yes, yes.
I'll get back to him in a second now.
Okay, I can break out with him if he would like. He's here, I guess. Oh, so
He appeared late.
So we can reset him.
So for
If that's okay, yes.
sir, I will be with you in a second.
Sorry.
Booker, I'll be right back.
Okay. For Ms. Tasman Nagua, she doesn't have a coming up felony court date. So I'm gonna reset hours in my court to 5/26.
Okay, great.
Okay, what do you have next now?
To reset, well, I'm going back to Raymond Valdez, number 34, if we could reset him.
Mr. Valdez, what's your reasoning for being late to court today?
I was on time. I had said present when you called my name on the first round of the docket.
And when I called your name the second time?
I didn't know I was supposed to say my name again. I'm so sorry about that. I didn't know every time you were gonna call our names to say present, I would have. I'm so sorry.
So what happens is if I go through the docket the first time, if I don't hear you announce yourself, then I go through it again and I call your name a second time. On both times, I never heard you announce yourself to the court. That's the reason why I have you listed down as an FTA.
Oh,
But,
I do apologize.
I will reset your case and allow you to talk to your attorney.
Thank you, sir.
Now, what's going on with Mr. Valdez's cases?
The prosecutors need to reach out to the felony attorney to find out if him taking an offer on the misdemeanors will mess up his probation.
Okay. I'm gonna reset those to 5/25. I'll put you in a record room with your client and you can talk to him.
Okay, thank you.
Not a problem.
Mr. Booker,
Yes.
conferred with Jonathan Alvarado regarding Gabriel Flores. Three things. He suggested that it be reset. Number two, we have a discovery issue. And number three, he believes this has been assigned to the PIC unit. And he's going to ask the ADA and the PIC unit to reach out to me. So I guess the first request is to reset.
Your client didn't answer the docket today.
I instructed him to be here.
Sir, I've been here.
No, Gabriel Flores. Okay, so. This court date will be set to 5/25 at 9 a.m.
All right. May we be excused?
Yes, you and your client both for the log off.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Booker, this is Teresa Garcia. Do people have their hands raised to talk to you or to the judge?
Yes.
Andrew, what does yes mean? Judge or Booker?
Just waiting to be recognized by
I'll be with you in a second.
be it him, her, anyone. Just
Okay.
waiting in line.
Okay. So I'll just wait in line too.
Ms. Carter.
Hi, Booker. I have Mateo Villegas on the docket.
Yes, ma'am.
I conferred with Caleb. He let me know that the blood discovery is ready for me to pick up on the 4th floor. However, there's 2 new cases, so I need to get with County Court 7. So if I could have one more pretrial setting, I'd appreciate it.
All right, I will set both of these cases to 5:25.
I think I'm going to try to have the emergency case, since it's out of the same incident, transferred to 7. So do I ask for you to make that request, or do I go to the clerk in 7 first?
Talk to Susie. Normally she's okay with it, but I don't want to answer for her. But
Sure.
normally she would be fine with me transferring this one over there.
Okay, let me ask Susie first, then I'll shoot you an email.
All right, sounds good. So,
Can I just go into a breakout room with Mr. Villegas?
yes.
Thanks.
Mr. Lamas, did you need to approach Judge Johnson again?
Yes, yes, sir. Whenever the judge is available.
What have we got, Patrick?
Yes, Your Honor, I consulted with my client. Could we put the end date as April 28th?
Sure, that's fine.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Defense counsel, his court date in here is set for May 26th.
Look, you're talking about Mr. Herrera?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you.
Irene, are you with us?
Good morning. Yes, sir, I am.
Morning. Let me note on the record that cause number 693164 is it's Mr. Jose Herrera, represented by Mr. Patrick Lamas, has put forward a motion to travel. The motion did not have departure or return dates. Mr. Lamas and I have conferred off the record for just a moment, and Mr. Herrera is asking to travel to Dallas to see his grandmother who's in hospice. He would like to leave today, April 24th, and would return by April 28th. Let's note for the record that he has the court's permission to do so on this particular case. I don't know what's going on with the felony, but on ours, he has our permission to travel the 24th through the 28th to Dallas, Texas, to visit his grandmother in whatever facility she's in, and to stay. Is he going to stay with a relative up there, Patrick?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
He's gonna be staying at the address listed in the motion, 2529 Pilgrim Rest Drive.
Okay. He can reside at he can stay at 2529 Pilgrim Rest Road while he's in the Dallas area. So that's the court's order presented by Mr. Lamas is hereby amended to reflect the dates as well as the location.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thanks, Patrick. Have a good Monday.
Have a good one.
Be safe.
Ms. Garcia.
Yes, so I have Brandon Valenzuela, and he's got 2 felony pendings.
Okay.
I need a reset.
He didn't answer. Wait, he did.
I see his name
Yeah.
right there. It's Brandon Valenzuela. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm here.
Sorry, can you turn your camera on?
It says it's been disabled by the host. Oh, there you go.
He doesn't have a court date on his felony just yet, so I'll set the cases in my court to May 30th.
Okay. Thank you. May we be excused?
Yes, ma'am, you and your client are both free to log off.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
May 30th,
Yes,
Is that in person or on
Zoom.
that'll be in
Okay.
person in County Court 12.
Oh, you're gonna be in person from now on or what?
Judge Huff is leaning that way.
Okay, so just be in person.
in person in County Court 12?
Yes.
What time?
9 a.m.
9.
Okay,
Okay, all right, thank you.
that's 30th of
Yeah.
May?
May 30th.
Okay, appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye.
Keith.
I confer with the state, and one of my clients I listed on my is not on the docket. That would be Dantrill Tappa Hawkins, and the other client, Joseph Freeman, I believe has an MTR. I
Yes.
was not able to get in touch with him. I called his bondsman last night, and he said he talked to him, told him he had court. Yeah, I don't see him on the Zoom. I wasn't able to get in touch with him, so I couldn't give him the invite. Did you have somebody call him and see if he's in the courtroom?
No, my deputy checked in with me. He's not here.
Okay.
All right. If you do get a hold of him, he has until 4:30 to reach out to me. If not,
Okay.
we'll have to put him down as an FT and a warrant would issue.
I'll get in touch with his bondsman.
Well, no, he needs to get in touch with me because
Oh.
I don't take the bondsman's word. I need the defendant to contact me directly.
Well, I'll have to get in touch with his bondsman to get his phone number.
Okay,
Thank you.
no problem.
Excuse?
Yes, you're free to log off.
Thank you.
Miss Sarah. Yes, Sarah, May.
We're ready.
Okay. Let me get an ADA and then can move forward with that. Desiree.
I was a bit late logging on because I was having trouble with the Zoom, so I don't know if I was checked in. But also, I do not see my attorney Ryan in here. I don't know.
What's your full name, ma'am?
Desiree Martinez.
All right, he'll be on shortly. I have you checked in now.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Bloomquist.
Yeah, Booker, we just need to get a reset. They've got some discovery stuff that they owe us. They're going to get it to us.
All right, I'll reset it to May 26th.
Okay. Need anything else? Can me and my client be excused?
Yes, you and your client are both free to log off.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Mr. Sines.
Yeah, good morning, Herman. I apologize, my video is not working. But my client is Malcolm Charles. He is not on Zoom today. I just got your notice on Friday. I wasn't able to get a hold of him. Apparently, he'd been in Oasis County Jail for some time and had apparently just been released. He called me on Thursday, and I told him I was going to try to get a hold of you to set up a Zoom plea. And then I got your notice Friday the next day. So I'm just appearing right now. I'm letting you know I haven't gotten a hold of him, but I can try to do that and maybe get back with you about another date on a Zoom to do a plea. Is that possible? So apparently he bonded out of Oasis County. It's still showing as a warrant in Bexar County, I assume, because that bond or his release on bond hasn't made it over here yet. But I believe y'all are still showing it as a warrant.
Well, you have to postpone on, let's see.
Yeah, he called me on Thursday, so he was already out, and he said he posted bond in Nueces County on this Bear County warrant.
Yes, I do show that the warrant was executed out of county. Yeah, so get a hold of him, and then we can set him up on the docket for a plea.
Okay, that sounds good, Herman. Thank you. And is it possible to speak to the ADA real quick, please?
Yes. No,
Could I please reset Andrew Torres? He's number 12 on the docket.
what's going on with his case?
I would just like to give him different offers and let him think about it.
Mr. Torres? Andrew Torres? Well, no, we'll worry about that once he comes back or he answers.
Okay, could I reset Lauren Maldonado, number 30 on the docket, and talk to her?
Yes, what's going on with her case?
I want to present an offer to her and let her think about it.
Ms. Maldonado? Lauren?
I'm here, sir. I'm sorry.
Okay, your attorney's going to talk with you in a breakout room about your case.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you a 30-day reset. Within that 30
Okay.
days, you need to inform your attorney, which way you want to move to with whatever she tells you.
Okay.
Right
This
now,
is my first time, so how do I get into the other room?
oh, no worries. I'll put you in there. Don't worry about it.
Okay. Thank you.
Right now, her case has been reset to May 25th. And
Okay,
I'll put you
thank
guys
you.
in the breakout room so you can talk to your client.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Booker, I'll be off for a couple of minutes while you're finding an ADA for our plea, okay?
Yes, sir.
Thanks.
Hello, Booker.
Yes, I can help you.
Oh, I'm back. I was disconnected again. I'm back.
Okay, no worries. We'll get your case taken care of shortly.
Booker, I'm back in from room with the Miss Neil for Lauren Maldonado.
You can
Andrew?
log off.
In progress. Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Andrew Torres?
Yes, this is Andrew. Yes, hello?
Yes, I have you. Hold on 1 second. One
Okay.
moment, sir.
Yes, yes, sir. This is him. Yes, sir. This is him. Oh my God. I'm having issues.
Sir?
Yes, sir.
No shit.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so your attorney's I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Your attorney wants to talk with you,
Okay.
but I'm going to reset your court date to May 26th. That will be in person in County Court 12 at 9 a.m.
May 26th.
No, I'm
9
sorry.
a.m.
May 25th.
May 25th.
Correct.
Okay, got it. 9 a.m.
Yes. Right now, I'll call him in a breakout room with you so you can talk to him.
All right, thank you.
No, you can go back to number 3 and I'll place him in 3 with you.
Okay.
Man.
Andrew Fraley.
Good morning, Mr. Booker. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Fantastic. So I have a Jovita Garza on the docket for today. I don't believe she has she definitely hasn't made contact with me. She's been a no-show last couple settings. So I'm assuming you're going to issue a warrant unless she is here today.
No, sir, she is not here today.
Okay, great. Next, I conferred on 2 of my cases for tomorrow's trial, 9 a.m. trial docket, Mario Guajardo and Richard Garza. I expect to hear back from the prosecutor by the end of the business today, so I'll have announcements first thing in the morning. Would you be requiring specific attire for tomorrow's proceedings?
A quarter tire, sir.
So theoretically, if I were to show up in Fiesta attire, would you remove me from the courtroom?
Me personally,
No.
I don't have the authority, but there's no telling what the court security would do.
Can you tell me who the judge is for tomorrow?
So what'd you say, Andrew?
Who's the judge tomorrow?
Judge Huff.
Okay.
What is Fiesta attire?
No pants.
Okay.
Did I just make you spit your own coffee? I'm gonna contact the court to see what the appropriate attire is for the morning, and I will see you first thing in the morning either way.
Yeah, I would gather that by the way, Judge Johnson is looking that that would not be appropriate for court attire.
Judge. That's why I asked who the judge was, because it matters.
Oh, the judge today is Judge Johnson, but Judge Huff will be back tomorrow.
Okay. I was just wondering. Because Judge Johnson's probably more likely to take me into custody on principle.
No, my Fiesta rule was I would waive coats and ties during the week, but wouldn't necessarily participate or wouldn't approve anything goofier than that.
Okay. So my Cookie Monster outfit is a no-go for trial.
Well, look at the trouble it got Judge Christian in.
I know it's really not worth it. Okay. Always a pleasure, Judge. Thank you. Booker, not so much, but y'all take care.
Have a good Monday, Andrew.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Keep doing what your wife tells you. You'll get along just fine.
Caleb, you guys ready on Sarah's plea? Caleb? All right, well, now what you got?
Could I please break out with Joel Goolsby if his paperwork is filed, or I mean, if his case has been filed, he'd like to do a plea today, but if it hasn't been filed, then as soon as possible, we can do a plea.
Um, we don't, but I can bring him back onto the docket for Wednesday.
Okay, good. That's great.
Right, and what else do you have?
I think that is all. Andrew Torres, we broke out, but I don't know. We didn't talk because I think that he never joined his face or his audio in the breakout room, and I think he's having computer problems.
I would definitely agree with that. You might want to
Okay.
just give him a call.
Okay, I will.
Alrighty.
Thank you. All right, bye. Are we dismissed? Am I dismissed?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Caleb, is Caleb on? Booker, I have an appointment. I had an appointment at 10 o'clock. If it's going to take any longer, I'm going to ask Ryan to take the plea.
Go ahead. I'm just one of the states, but if you want to talk to Ryan, then that's fine.
Hey, Mr. Booker, you said we sitting here waiting on who? Hey, Mr. Booker, you said I'm waiting to talk to who?
To your attorney.
So when I'm gonna talk to him, because I waited here last time when I was here all court, and he ain't even show up. He didn't call me or nothing. I sitting here all day and ain't nobody tell me nothing.
Okay, hold on.
Excuse me, Booker. Any update on my case?
Yes, we'll be moving forward with your plea shortly.
Thank you.
Mr. Patrick Teeler.
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you in front of County Court 12?
Yes, sir.
Okay, your attorney's gonna come around there and talk to you in a moment.
All right.
Okay, great, thanks. Mr. Lopez.
Yes, sir.
Which client do you have?
I have Jeff Gordon. And I was just trying to speak with the ADA on it.
Okay,
Do you want me to go back to room 7? Or
yeah, go back to room 7. You're next in line. Jonathan Alvarado is talking with Eric right now, and then he'll be with you next.
okay, perfect. I'll be over there.
Okay.
Thanks, brother.
No problem. Go ahead, Mr. Hernandez.
Hey, Booker, for Gutierrez Vega, 689-840.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a plea, in Spanish. Will we be able to do that today, or do we have to come back?
Can you guys come back tomorrow?
Let me check with my client real quick.
Okay.
Will it be in person or by Zoom?
In person.
We can do that. We'll be back tomorrow.
Yeah, because it's gonna be easier. The later it gets in the day, the harder it is to get an interpreter. And then you guys can just fill out all the paperwork in person tomorrow. We can just move forward with the plea from there.
All right, we'll see you in the morning.
Sounds good.
Are we free to leave?
Yes, sir. You and your client both free to log off.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Hey, Booker.
Yes.
Sarah was asking me if I could do Mr. Gonzalez's plea. I just didn't know if all of the stuff was ready to go on that one, or if they needed anything else.
I believe Nell's gonna take care of that.
Oh, Nell's gonna take care of it? Okay.
Yes, she's here.
Thank you, Ryan.
Yeah, no problem, Renee. Then
One second.
for Caleb Ortiz, just a reset to get his conditional dismissal work done, but I'm gonna take a breakout room with him and release him from there.
Oh, I'm working on my class right now, by the way.
All right, Ryan, I'm gonna give it a short reset. Mr. Ortiz, don't speak about what you have to finish or what you need to do. I'm gonna give you 3 weeks. That should be more than enough time to be able to get this done, because I have
Yes,
given,
sir.
um,
Yeah, you giving me time.
yeah, so
Yes, sir.
we need to get this done. If you don't want to appear back in court again, then you will get this done by May 15th. If not, then you'll have to talk to judge about getting a reset. But I'll go ahead and
All
put you in a breakout room with your attorney, and he'll talk to you from there.
All right. You said May 15th?
Correct.
All right, appreciate it, Booker.
Then
Judge,
Yes, sir.
we're ready on a plea for number,
Renee Gonzalez.
yes, sir, number 21.
Okay. All righty, let's go on. Ms. Maldonado with us.
Yes, sir, I am.
Thanks, Irene. Good morning. Let's go on the record and cause 696-211, the state of Texas versus Renee Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, are you the same person that was originally charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated?
For obstruction, sir.
Yeah, originally it was a DWI, correct?
Yes, sir, correct.
And Mr. Bortner states waiving count 1 and amending to add count 2, obstruction of a highway.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. No objection to that, Ryan?
I'm stepping in and just taking this plea offer
right.
for Ryan Arnett and Sarah May.
Okay.
My
So
name
you
is Nell Smith.
You have no objection to it, Ms. Smith?
No objection.
Thank you. To the charge of obstruction of a highway, Mr. Gonzalez, have you had, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty, sir.
You're pleading guilty because you are guilty and not for any other reason?
Yes, sir.
You've had an opportunity to talk to Miss May and whoever else has been assisting her, and you understand what's going on here today?
Yes, sir, correct.
Okay, sir. Did you read, understand, and sign the waiver of constitutional rights that I have here before me?
Correct, sir. Yes, I did.
You understand that when you sign that, you're telling me that you understand your constitutional rights, you don't wish to have a trial, and that it is okay if the court accepts your plea?
Yes, sir, correct.
Are you a citizen of the United States, sir?
No, sir.
All right. Ms. Smith, are you confident that Mr. Gonzalez has been advised of the ramifications of his plea being a non-citizen?
Yes, he has.
Okay. And Mr. Gonzalez, you understand those ramifications and you still wish to proceed with your plea?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. And are you the same person that was originally arrested, fingerprinted, and booked on this charge?
Correct. Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. And Mr. Bortner, do we have a plea agreement?
We do, Your Honor. The plea agreement is on that obstruction charge, and it is for a $500 fine, court costs, 12 months deferred adjudication, DWI education, victim impact panel, TAP evaluation, ignition airlock for half the term, and 48 community service hours.
That's your understanding, Ms. Smith?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. I'll accept the plea. I'll find that Mr. Gonzalez has entered his plea freely and voluntarily, that he understands what he's doing. I'll follow the plea agreement in its entirety. The plea's been accepted to the charge of obstruction of a highway. I will defer final adjudication of guilt for a period of 12 months, assess the $500 fine, costs the court, order 48 hours community service, ask they participate in the victim impact panel, the DWI education, and that he participate in the TAP evaluation and follow the recommendations. I'll order ignition interlock for a period of 1/2 the period of probation. Good luck to you, Mr. Gonzalez. I hope you've learned from this so we don't have you back.
No, absolutely, sir. And one thing I wanted to mention, I do have my COVID shots. I don't know how y'all would take that for community service hours. I know I've heard the judge mention that a while back. I don't know if that's possible in any way.
You can discuss that with when you visit with your with the community supervision folks. They'll tell you what the court's policy is on that and whether you get credit for that or not.
And
Go ahead, ma'am.
yes, it does count for the COVID vaccine counts for 24 hours of community service. And our client would like a Zoom meeting for probation. Should he talk to Charles about that as well?
Yes, I will discuss that with him.
All right, thank you.
No, is he a Bear County resident?
Yes, I believe he is. You are,
Yes,
aren't
ma'am.
you? Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, Ms. Smith.
Thank
Good luck to you,
you.
Mr. Gonzalez.
Thank you, sir. I really appreciate it. Have a great day.
You too, sir, as well.
No, did you want to go with him into the breakout room when he talks to Mr. Kimbrough?
No, thank you.
Okay. All right, now, thank you.
Thank you. May I be excused?
Yes, you're excused.
All right, thank you.
Caesar? Mr. Flores?
Yes, sir.
Your attorney came by my office. Your court date has been reset to June 1st. You need to go ahead and complete the things of probation that you need to take care of. If you're not sure about it, go ahead and reach out to Mr. Luis Martinez and he'll explain everything to you.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
No problem. You're free to log off and you're free to leave the courthouse if you don't have any other matters at the court today.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Booker.
Mr. Lopez.
Yeah, Booker, the ADA written new offer that I want to talk to my client about, I think it's going to be a conditional dismissal. I just need 45 days or 30 or 45 days so he can complete what's required. And then I just want to talk to my client and we'll leave from there.
All right, case will be reset to set up for June 1st.
June 1st. Thank you, sir.
And I'll put you-
can I be placed in a room? Mr.
Yes.
Gordon?
And then you
Thank
guys are both free to log off from there.
Thank you, Booker.
Mr. Gilbert Vasquez.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's going on with your client's case?
He has just conferred with ADA Taylor Bortner, and he is offering a fee offer that my client will accept.
Okay, when did you guys want to take the plea?
I'm sorry?
You said you guys went over a plea offer?
Yeah, we were offered and we
Okay.
accept.
Okay.
I believe ADA Taylor Bortner is here. You can clarify the details.
Yes. You may still need to get the plea paperwork from Booker.
Caleb,
I'm
do you have
sorry?
the defendant's email address?
I don't have the defendant's email.
Mr. Vasquez, if you send me over your client's email address, I can send out that plea paperwork.
Yeah, I'll send it to you right now.
Okay, and then we can get that going after that. Orlando.
Good morning, Mr. Booker. I've logged in. I'm on the non-doc. I'm not on the docket, excuse me, but I'm trying to see if I can get that warrant recalled for Miss Campos.
Okay.
She was,
Yeah, go right ahead.
oh yeah, no, just she was on the docket last week. And so I have her on standby. I think she may even be logged in already.
What's the case number?
Case number is going to be 683-432. 683-432.
Okay, let me pull that file.
All right. Thank you, Court.
You are free to log off, Mr. Gonzalez. You're done for the day.
Judge? Gilbert, Mr. Vasquez, can you send me your client's email address as well?
Okay, yes.
Judge, are you there?
Hey, Booker.
Hey.
Can you look at whether a case is filed for me?
What's case number?
706534.
Yes. Today.
It is filed.
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you.
Sorry, Caleb, when I last checked to see if it was filed, it was earlier this weekend.
That's a different case, Ryan. This is Nell's client.
Oh, sorry, that sounds very, very similar to his case number.
Ryan, what was going on with Desiree's case?
So with Desiree's case, sorry, I know I accidentally just released her. With Desiree's case, I think she's going to take the offer. I'm gonna give her a call back in like 15 minutes to go over everything one last time. But it would be an obstruction if we took it today. I don't know if we would have time to do that today in terms of like getting the obstruction paperwork and everything together. But if not, she said she could do it Wednesday on Zoom.
He said she wants to do the plea on Wednesday.
Yeah, if we can't get it done today, then we could do it on Wednesday. She basically wants me to go through the entire case file with her one more time, but she's pretty much leaning towards the obstruction.
Okay, let's set it for Wednesday morning. Just send me her email and stuff so I can fill out paperwork.
Yep, sounds good. I'll send that to you guys as well, Caleb, so we can get that
Thank you.
paperwork going.
Yes.
All right. I'll see you guys later. That should be it for me, right? At least that's here.
Crystal Silva.
Oh, is she here? Perfect. She's got a conditional dismissal.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, perfect. So I didn't see because you were just listed as iPhone. So she's got a conditional
sorry.
dismissal. If we could just get a reset for her to get that all squared away, and I'll hop into a breakout room with her, explain what that conditional dismissal is going to take, and it should be a relatively easy one to get done. There's not a ton of work involved into it.
All right, that's reset.
Ryan. Oh, I guess I'll talk to him in the breakout.
Yeah.
Sorry, 1 second.
It's because I started a new job on May 8th.
What were you saying, Booker?
So I'll be in training.
Hold on, ma'am. All right, that's reset to May 8th. 5:25.
Okay.
Mr. Vasquez, did you guys get the paperwork? Gilbert?
We have not. Let me check again. Okay, yes, we just received it. Let me
Okay.
review that with my client.
Hey, Booker.
Yes, go right ahead.
So number number 17 on the docket, Mr. Eric Hernandez's client. They said they're going to do a plea, but I don't see them on here anymore. Did we reset that one for a different day?
Yeah, he's coming back tomorrow. Because
Tomorrow?
the client needed an interpreter, and at that point in time when he requested one, it's just gonna be way too late.
Yeah. Do you have his Mr. Hernandez's email, the attorney, so I can send him the discovery acknowledgement? I didn't have it.
Yeah. I'll
Want
Let
to
me-
chat to me or email to me or something?
yeah, I'll send it to you in an email.
Okay, works. Thank you.
No problem. Mr. Vasquez, did you guys, are you still reviewing paperwork?
I'm sorry?
Are you guys still reviewing paperwork?
No, we're good. We got the email, it's fine.
Um. Did you guys go over everything?
I got the discovery acknowledgement.
And the plea paperwork?
I have not gotten the plea paperwork, sir.
You're Gilbert at VasquezLawTX.com?
That's correct.
Yes.
Yeah, I haven't received it, Mr. Booker.
Can you check your spam, see if it went there?
I just did, and it's not there as well.
I'm sending, just sent a reminder. BC now?
No, sir. I do not.
Mr. Rocha?
Hi, Booker. How are you?
Doing good in yourself?
Good, good. I have Mr. Zamora. I just need to speak to a district attorney if somebody's available.
Okay. Mr. Vasquez, what we can do is, I can recall this case for Wednesday morning. And we can figure out what's going on and how come you're not receiving the paperwork, and then be ready for it Wednesday morning.
Yeah, that'll be fine. Mr. Booker.
Okay, if you have not gotten it, go right ahead.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear what you said.
If you have not received the paperwork about, maybe about 2 or 3 o'clock today, go ahead and, send me an email, and I'll see what's going on with it, and then possibly have to resend it out to you guys.
Okay, that sounds good, Mr. Booker. Appreciate
Okay,
it.
no problem.
Are we free to leave?
Yes, sir, you guys are free to leave, and, that warrant has been recalled.
Thanks so much.
No problem.
Hey Booker, can I ask you a question real quick? Uh, my lawyer said that the prosecutor has filed for dismissal from my case, but I don't know if my lawyer's going to show up anytime soon. I think you're muted.
Who's your attorney?
Sergio Ibarra.
Okay. Let me talk to the state, and then we can go from there.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Roger Lozano,
Yes, sir.
you talk to your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we need to get another date, Herman. They're gonna bring this back. They're willing to dismiss it if he does a safety class. But obviously we'll need another court date until that all gets squared away.
Okay, I'll reset it to May 25th.
All right, thank you very much.
Not a problem.
Roger, you
you.
got that court date?
May 25th.
Yep, all right. Get it to me and take care of.
Yes, sir.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Caleb,
Any
Yes.
restitution, if any, to the complainant on the hit and run case.
and
And
Marion
this could all
DeBose.
run CC with the.
Did you
if
submit a
we decide to
dismissal on that?
take the felony
Yes.
Offer, which.
Okay.
is I think
Mr.
it's
DeBose?
covered. So if there's community service hours in that case. he
Yes,
would
sir.
choose Twice.
All right, your case has been submitted for dismissal pending judge's signature. You're free to log off, sir.
Okay, is there going to be like an update or anything
No.
like that?
This is your last court date for that case.
Okay,
Just don't pick up anymore.
and there's like, is there going to be court fees or anything like that, or? I don't know.
Just talk to your attorney. I don't want to give you the wrong information. Just talk to your attorney, but judge will a copy of that dismissal will be sent over to your attorney.
Okay, I appreciate it.
Not a problem.
Thank you.
Booker, put me and Caleb in a breakout room again together real quick.
Yeah. James. Mr. Rocha.
Hi, Booker. I got an offer from the district attorney's office. We do have a felony pending, but we might be able to reach a resolution between that one and the felony, have everything done together.
Okay,
Felony is set on the 16th of May. So we can either get something on that day or around that time afterwards. That would be beneficial to make sure that everything gets done pretty much at the same time.
all right, I'll recall my case for that Friday,
Friday,
May 19th.
okay. All right, that works. Okay, thank you, Booker. You have a good day.
You too.
Booker, can you put me with my client,
Yes.
Trevino?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
You wanted me unmuted?
Oh, was that me?
Wasn't me.
Probably Caleb.
Yeah, it sent me an email.
Hi, Caleb.
Irene.
Wasn't me either.
Irene, did they tell you I'm moving?
Irene.
Irene,
When?
I'm moving on Monday.
No, why?
I gotta go to jail court.
Oh, oh, hmm. Oh,
Gotta go help out there for a while.
so just a few days or weeks?
No, for 3 months.
For 3 months?
That's
Oh,
my new
wow.
assignment.
Okay. So you leave Monday. So your last day with us is Thursday then?
Yes.
Where do they live?
It's a ranch. Who are we receiving, getting?
Anthony, James Anthony. I'm gonna bring him down to mental health today and to meet you, Booker.
No mental health today.
There's no mental health today?
No.
Okay. I was looking forward to my last mental health, but
Don't worry, there's Thursday.
do we have one on Thursday?
Don't we have the?
No.
I don't think so.
Maybe they get a mediation.
I'll just have to come next week. That's fine.
You can bring him down tomorrow.
I'll still bring down Anthony to talk to you, Booker,
Yeah. Okay.
around 1.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, I think it might be actually a good resolution. It might be a decent mediation.
And then we'll sit down with you to do the trial.
Okay, there is well, you saw the email for the trial docket for tomorrow. And then we'll just reset them out.
Yes.
They're just gonna confer.
Okay. Well,
Um,
I think so.
And then, yeah, I'll go over the next week's.
Yeah.
Afternoon trial docket. All right, sounds good.
Thank you.
Because Irene wants to.
Are we done?
No,
Hi. See, even he's shaking his head. James is just, So do we have a plea, Booker?
No.
Okay, well, let's do what we do. Come on.
no.
You're just gonna keep us here?
Hmm?
So you're just gonna keep us here? We're gonna be hostage?
Mauer, what you got?
Okay, so we're gonna do a plea on my case, but my guy's in a car. So I need to see if we can set it like 2 weeks, or 3 weeks for a plea.
Okay,
I don't mind in person if it's easier for y'all. I'd prefer it.
okay, sounds good. We will,
I would say do 3 weeks, just it'll be easier.
cool. We'll get it done in person on May 9th.
Perfecto. All right, thanks, man. I'll let him log off, okay?
All right, sounds good.
Thanks, buddy.
No problem. I wanted to make Irene work again.
Goodness, I'm not afraid of work.